Just 35 to 40 kilometers from Bengaluru, along the Bengaluru-Kolar highway near Hoskote, lies one of the region's most unique outdoor experiences, the Bangalore Kayak Club at Mugabala Lake. From the sky, the lake comes alive with color. Bright kayaks glide across the lake, adding splashes of color to the vast natural canvas beneath. Some move in groups, sharing laughter and adventure. Others paddle quietly, enjoying the calm and freedom of being out on the water. It's a scene that's both energetic and peaceful. Surrounded by open countryside and expansive views, Mugabala Lake offers a refreshing escape from the pace of city life. Here, every paddle stroke becomes part of the experience. As kayakers navigate the lake, the vastness of the landscape unfolds around them. The shoreline stretches into the distance. The open waters reflect the sky above. And for a moment, the noise and distractions of everyday life seem far away. Whether you are an experienced paddler or trying kayaking for the first time, Bangalore Kayak Club offers an adventure that is accessible, exciting, and unforgettable. But what makes this destination truly special is the perspective it offers. From the water, you experience the thrill of the journey. From above, you see the beauty of the entire landscape, colorful kayaks moving across a vast lake, surrounded by nature in every direction. Less than an hour from Bengaluru, this hidden gem has become a favorite destination for families, friends, couples, and outdoor enthusiasts looking for something different. A place where adventure meets nature. A place where the journey is just as memorable as the destination. Mugabala Lake, Bangalore Kayak Club, a colorful adventure waiting just beyond the city.